Fly, fly, fly.
Scoochie, huh?
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
I stay fresh as hell, take a pic, I might as well. Hell, drop the top and take a selfie, my car drives itself. I got white girls blushing, homie, college girls rushing on me. All my diamonds custom, so they clutching and they touching on me. Ooh, think it's vegetables, ooh, think it's edible, ooh, it's incredible, ooh, ooh, ooh. I smell like bun number 99, section full of fine dimes. Bitches staring at me saying, wow.
Unforgettable, like that King Cole. Gucci berry white, I'm singing to you. A one-man show, a human bankroll. She lost in the sauce, cause Gucci got the glow. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly.
You can't tell me I ain't fly.
I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. Now watch me fly. Now watch me fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
I'm so fly, I don't need no flight attendant. Big Cuban link, don't need no pendant. I ain't never had no pot to piss in. Yeah, now all my records trend. Oh my, came from stealing bikes to flying another G5. I don't know why I ain't smoking this cherry pie so much, but this my life. I'm on Adderall, I be smelling high tech when I piss, like it's basketball. I drop 50-pointer on my wrist. It's Lil' Kodak, take a pic. I came home and dropped the hit. All these diamonds got me sick. I'm acting spotted. Cut the ceiling high. I feel like I can fly. So first the duff is crazy. Feel like I can die. I done finally got my wings. It made me wanna sing.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. The ladies love luxury, that's why they all fuck with me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. Now watch me fly. Now watch me fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
Hello traders, welcome to episode 188 of TA with me, Mitch Ray. You could be doing anything, but you're here on this Friday night, and thanks so much for that, because I know you could be doing anything, right? Bitcoin doing nothing, right? Just holding in its flag, holding in its channel. We're gonna try to make some fun out of this, okay? We analyzed 15 15 charts today in an hour and 11 minutes or so. So we were really productive in the day stream, ended it early, just because it seems like this market, the longer Bitcoin lacks volatility, the more people stop caring. So, I mean, whatever. Thank God it's Friday night, most importantly. So, whatever. Okay, I'm just going to drink to episode 188, man. I've been thinking about this one for a long time. Hopefully Kang Logan is going to enjoy this one too. Alright, so Kang Logan, man, congratulations on 188, man. I remember we talked about episode 88, or when we were on episode 88, we literally talked about episode 188. Well, here we are, man. Many months later, weeks later, I guess. So, yeah, man. Awesome stuff. But again, Bitcoin, you know, whatever. The 4-hour chart, that's great and all. It's great. We're making higher lows than our previous lows. We're making lower highs than our previous highs. Okay, price contraction. We got it. Going back to the daily. Just take a look at it. We had a daily candle close. It's one thing we have going. One thing going on, I guess, right? Here you are. So close, right? To that critical down-slipping resistance. All right. What are you talking about, Ray? We're talking about this. We're talking about anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 here. And we're just so close to breaking it. The accumulation level. Okay, man. So we get the bullish divergence into the bullish convergence, right? On the daily, that's official now. Sweet. There's nothing wrong with that. It's good. It's always like bullish stuff, right? When you get bullish convergence. So, we're going to see what happens. You are running out of room. This stone wall of a down-slipping resistance, which has not been able to break. Here we are, facing this wall as we've been rallying our troops to break this wall. But can we? Do we have the power? Do we have munitions to tear down this wall? It might require a frost worm, the dead dragon, right? And possibly the Night King. All right, could somebody call the Night King and see if we can break this wall? Thank you, really appreciate it. Okay, we can just take a look around the markets, I guess. Who cares? You've got Ripple in the bottom right of your screen, where we have this down-sloping channel we've been just eyeballing forever, and thought we had an equidistant channel. We just disregarded it, kind of. We respected it, rode to the upside, and then just have been going just slightly down-sloping, almost sideways, and on very low volume, below the 200 MA, below the 236, the major fib. Yeah, the fib anchors are major. Okay, don't worry about it. But we can't break it. One time we hit the 382. So got to make a break with the upside or downside sometime. And really, the way that your price action works, you impulse up, you have this consolidation, eventually you just break the upside again. Okay. Top right of screen's Litecoin had a very interesting development in its price action. Actually recovered better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, you know, where we Bitcoin, in the context of the breakdown where this followed Bitcoin's probably right around here, right? It hit 50%, hadn't even hit the 618 yet on its dividend. This thing has retraced a lot more, probably over the 786 or above the 618 for that matter. Back above that trend line of the descending triangle we broke out of, the teal descending triangle, hit that measure move at 4780, and since then we bounced higher prices since, but still not making higher highs than our previous highs at all. And with this anchor point down here, 1, 2, and then 3.
I am the Simply Man, praying gesture. See you at episode 888 soon, brother man to John Wayne Jesus.
Yeah, Johnny Wayne Jesus will be at episode 888. It is affirmed or confirmed. And man, I'm not saying, you know, whatever. John Wayne to Jesus, man. I might dress up as John Wayne on episode 888. If anyone remembers, if any of y'all are even still around when I'm doing episode 888, hold me to it. Be like, Ray, man, that episode 188, you said you'd dress up as John Wayne Jesus, man. It's like, alright, dude. We'll do it. I might forget, so just remind me in many episodes from now. Alright. So on Litecoin, approaching right at that top trend line of the channel, this down sloping after a bearish impulse. So that could be forms of exhaustion, impulse down, down sloping consolidation, possible breaking the upside with this price action that we see time and time again. Top left of your screen is Ethereum. You impulse down and up sloping consolidation. Notice the difference. We have the same impulse. Okay, we're talking literally the same day, right? The same day that we had this move down, and you have Ethereum up sloping and Litecoin down sloping. How about that? Well, gotta love that, right? Just comparing the two and how different they are, but how similar they are, right? And then you have very cool stuff on Bitcoin Cash. It had broken out a channel that we've been in for, you know, a month. Yeah, over a month. And we finally broke it on very nice volume, and we're just hitting a critical resistance around $475. That is a horizontal line resistance going back to September and right around October 15th recently, and also the 200 MA. All right, so a nice CS breakout, but we already fibbed it. I believe we're near that 236 possibly. So, you know, very close. Common retrace after such a nasty move down. Okay. That's it, man. That's it. Let's take a look at chat. Thanks so much for the 100 people tuned in. My God. I think, you know, give it like a couple more weeks and I'll be at 5 followers, 5 viewers. It's just slowly but surely, just see ya. Oh man, I think it was that Bitfinex crazy tether day. Everyone just said, I'm done with this. I am done with crypto. It's like, all right. What's up, Arthur Beeswax, King Logan, Third Eye Trader, One Man Army. What's up, Coffee Crypto? Unfortunately, I actually brewed. Wow, I brewed some coffee. It's downstairs on the Keurig. It was Walcona, Monsoon Malabar, and Kenyan. And I completely forgot about that. I might have to run down there in a little bit and get that. What's up, Tour Master, Phil Centura, Jamie Catrona, man. Glad you made it. 1G Project, 2224, what happened? Hello, Game here. Just getting through chat. What's up, Titan Tom, dude? Good vibes to you, alright? Blockchain Bandit, hello. JD. Jacob Schultz. John Miller, hello. Julius here, just might as well play the Jesus Chomps. Parish Banks. What's up, Chris Irwin? Jamie says, 188 party for episode 200. How about party for episode 188, man? That's a big number. Okay, that's very significant. Yeah, might as well start live streaming Fortnite now. Okay, probably get more views. What's up, Chrisidin? You think we'll have 3,000 subs tonight? Do you want to go take a look at the Social Blade, Chrisidin? We're at 2956. We've been at like 2,900 something for like a week. All right. I'm sure it's getting drunk tonight. That's right. People are too greedy. One of those old crypto gains. There you go, man. I don't know what it is. It's not even something that I can do anything about. Yeah, One Man Army. We looked at a QKC earlier today. Hey, Skyward, man. Thanks for the $8.88. Did you this, man? Thank you, dude. What? Okay. ETC bag holder is now the new boss.
Is that a joint?
Oh, I get what happened.
Etc. please. Etc. very weak rebound. Making lower lows. Only positive is I see bullish div on daily. I need some good news, my lord.
ETC bag holder, yeah, sure. Thanks for the 420, and we will look at ETC right after Ripple. So Ripple, just go to it right now. Who cares? I love how no one cares. No one even notices that I'm skipping Ethereum like every time now. Because it's just like, who cares about Ethereum, man? It's so bad. We looked at it on the Quinn screen, man. We're doing our duty to the Ethereum faithful, the Ethereum army, right? But I know what happens. I thought Skyward was supposed to be the boss. But no, Logan healed himself because he was the boss. And so then Skyward took away his heal. And then ETC Bagholder came in and killed Logan. Kang Logan. Alright. Kangslayer. ETC Kangslayer Bagholder. Alright. This is a new title. But yeah, we'll look at ETC. The 8s, 888s, those are all like, it's like big Chinese philosophy thing, dude. It's like a big thing, man. It's like luck and love and all this stuff, man. It's crazy. It's crazy stuff. The 8s. Tell them, Logan. Tell them all so they know. It's an apropos episode to do it. Hey, sorry, Jamie. We're gonna climb the ice wall. What's up, Randy Bobandy? MK man. Making an aqua. Am I swimming right now? What's up, Tits McTits? Hello. What's up, Phil Cintura? Billy Langford, good to see you. Psy Girl, oh my god, Psy Girl's here. This sip's for you, Psy Girl. Alright, welcome. Absolutely stoked despite BTC. Wow, you're one of few. Alright. What's up, Mr. Schaffer? You'll be here, episode 188. We made it, man. We made it to episode 188. And we're getting less viewers than we had on episode 88. So, tell me. I might need to completely change this entire show up and do other things. What's up, Crypto Dave? Glad you're here. Jordan G. Blockchain Bandits weekend starts in 45 minutes. Awesome, dude. Very good. Celebration. What's up, Mr. Magoo? Alright, almost through chat, okay. Brian Holm, he made it. Melissa made it too. Oh my god. We have the best crypto ladies in the house. Okay. Do you need the pro version, Crypto Mines on TradingView to use good tools? I think you're limited. Like, you get, like, if you don't have it, I think it's like you only get 1 or 2 or 3 tools or something. But if you want to really be able to use coinciding variables and all that stuff, yeah, you need TradingView, like the paid version for sure. All right. Not Tour Master, you say that, dude, but our Friday nights have mostly always been extremely active. Okay, a lot of people. I may not even stream tomorrow night. I don't even. Saturday nights? Oh no, those are just getting bad. All right. All in on MPC coin, crypto staying. All right, let's do it, man. I think it's where they manufacture that at the universities, right? The basket weaving classes. Let me know. Basket weaving 101. That's like Ethereum. Okay. The platform where the NPCs are built. Chris Rivera's playing a drinking game with 10 of his friends. Drinking game sounds fun. Definitely sounds fun. So about Wheelo Crypto Man, glad you made it. XRP is nearing 589, Billy. I can't believe it, man. We're on the way. Turbulence. We're gonna get Vet Moon Boy, or Ripple Moon Boy. The last question of the game was, describe the best you've ever had. Interesting. Do I think we will break upward or down on Bitcoin? Dude, no one literally knows the answer. No one. But plenty will speculate and give you indication to believe that they know. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you I don't know, but I'll tell you we have price contraction, and it's been. Let's go back real quick, just Bitcoin. Just answer that question. When's the last time we had price contraction on the daily on Bitcoin this year? When's the last time we had upsloping and downsloping price contraction for the year 2018? We haven't. You understand? We have not had price contraction this year until now, until June 24th. Something magical happened. Inverse head and shoulders, Kangs, 8,500. 35% of our value lost in 3 weeks. Ran up again, lower high, broke down, and it's just flat. Okay, this is when everything just started dying off. People stopped caring. Volatility dead on Bitcoin right now. Okay, so price contraction is neutral. I would say you got the bears kind of have the edge, just because it's something I've talked about time and time again. You have so much resistance above you, it's insane. But below you, you have hardly any support. Do you see this? These supports in corrections seldom hold up, including Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not this magical thing. You don't put it on the pedestal as something extremely immune to chart law, right? When you're going through a correction, as we see here, if we broke this support, easy 5,000, almost instantly. Okay, 5,000. Can't hold that, 4,400, real quick. Can't hold 4,400, coming down to 3,251 almost instantly. It's gonna happen like that if we broke 5,800. Okay, so please at least understand, one does not want to be playing around below 5,800. Very, very scary stuff. Okay, just saying. Halloween's over, but still scary. But hey, accumulation. You do have accumulation, but it is slight accumulation, even making much, much lower highs than your previous highs versus the ever so slight higher lows, right? So definitely think the bears have the edge on this right now. Just being objective, just looking at this like I could look at any other coin or chart. All right. Hope it helps answer your question a little bit. Saturday nights are getting way sexual, and no, they're like inverse that. It's like, why am I even showing up on Saturday nights? Are the Beeswax ones Amazon? Yeah, we can look at Amazon, dude. Oh, it feels so good! Oh, the 888, man. Repeating, of course.
8 is the great karmic equalizer. 8 balances the material and immaterial worlds. 8 is harmony, peace, insight, intuition, exploration, wealth, infinity, and a symbol that helps you make beneficial decisions. 8 in Chinese font, meaning wealth or a fortune.
And King Logan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy pasta this for everyone in chat to have, alright? Thanks, King Logan, man, for the insightful contribution. Are you kidding me, dude? Like, contribution is one thing, when you, like, break it down like that on TTS. Fantastic, okay? Harmony, peace, insight. See what I'm talking about? It's like, it's just a bunch of different things that are good and positive, right? Dude, thanks so much, man, for that Binance in the jar. Alright, dude. Much love. Okay. And now Kang Logan is the boss. I'm a little disappointed how your life is not 8888, it's now 8868. Anyone with OCD might be losing their freaking minds right now, Logan, man. Kang Logan. Okay. What's happening right now? What is happening? What is happening right now? The ghost of Phillips Hue passed or something. Ghost, I don't know. Yeah, we Amazon. Yeah, Amazon list. That's right, the Patreon is a tool to help continue your trading education, as well as supporting this show, saying, hey Ray, I appreciate what you do every day, and I want you to keep coming back. Okay, doing free chart analysis for us everywhere, right, every day. Only if you're Munkle. Who is Munkle? Greg Morgan. I remember a kid from high school named Munkle or something. What happened? Maybe I will sword y'all. What happened? Fireworks? Yeah, 100 likes. We do it. I think we broke a streak that went on for like ever today on not getting 100 likes. We might have hit it at the end, but you know, I don't know. Whew. Almost to this, okay? And we'll be going to Ethereum Classic. Hey, Princess Riley. Having a wonderful night. Hope you are too. Thanks, Greg Morgan. Sorry, just getting through the part where I posted the beautiful 888 stuffs. It's the Jesus number. Yeah, it is the Jesus number, man. Yeah, 888-8888. Repeating, of course, I think it even makes it more holy, right? Because of Leroy Jenkins, right, dude? No, Roll Tide, Coffee Crypto, Roll Tide. Munkle S. That's it, Munkle S. I don't think that's It's My Wrench and I Want It Now. That is not JG Wrenchworth. That is the little girl from Willy Wonka who tried to get the golden goose. That's who that is, alright? Hey, local dinosaur, Ben Crypto. Give you your wrench? Why are you so demanding, man? Why be so demanding? Ben Crypto, you never had a wrench, dude. Ever. Like, in the history of mankind on this channel. Never did you ever have it, okay? You realized about 50% of the people hit the like? Oh yeah, that's part and parcel of streaming. Blockchain Bandit. Half the people or less will always hit that button, okay? But they'll sure as heck request a coin, won't they? Alright, let's go to Ethereum Classic. Let me just make sure I got the right chart. Oops. Alright, Ethereum Classic. Okay, man. Okay. So Ethereum Classic, I believe, just in this downtrend, you know, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and broke out of this little pennant, like a scrub. You got some very, very weak support down here at 798, 825. You see these purple, pink lines. It's been nothing but pain and despair for this coin. All right. Daily chart.
One moon. Saba pink 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 saba ping.
Ping Savid? Savid Ping? Is it a Savid Ping? Is that the name of the fish? Do we have anglers? I know we have surf fishing for Morgan, Alabama, who might know better than me what that is. Alright. Thanks, Skyman, for the $5.12. Not repeating, of course. It's okay. Thanks, dude. Alright, yeah, man, whatever. You got low on price, low on price, lower levels of negative momentum. Alright, you got some bullish divergence. Good for you. We've had that before. Just haven't been going well. Steal this. Get more bullish divergence on the RSI now. Okay, so you now have coinciding variables with the oscillators, and you're just breaking. You broke a critical support. This, you know, $9.47. You're sitting at $9.15. It just would be weird to not hit $8 or $8.25. It would just be weird at this point. Where are we? There's nothing here holding us. I don't know why we wouldn't go down to $8. But at $8, there might be an opportunity. But because you're showing bullish divergence, and if you show bullish divergence and then you set it up with horizontal line support that stems back to May of 2017, and this one little scrub wick All right, we can't hold that, man. Look, dude, Ethereum Classic, if you're in a true correction, which I think you are, these don't hold up for crap. Though we might break to the upside and get a nice spike. We're probably going to make a lower high than a previous high and just break down again. And I'm telling you, dude, and you might just go sideways and manufacture support like Ripple did and then tank, right? Yeah, it doesn't look good at all. I mean, I see some sort of wedge action or something, right? I mean, it kind of looks like that. But, you know, like from here, try. But not really. So much white space. Yeah, you have to like disregard a wick. It doesn't even make, dude, it's not even like a good looking wedge. So if I can't really, you can't really plot it. I know that was news. So maybe that news was the craziness. Or you disregard it? Okay, that makes sense right there. Okay, disregard that. That was the, literally, yeah, August 6th. That was when ETC went to Coinbase. This crap right here. Okay, so you really gonna play that? You wanna act like that's part of the overall pattern? Go ahead. But you can clearly see that we got some price contraction, a falling wedge with bullish divergence on the daily near critical supports. All right, best optimum low risk entry maybe is going to be between $8 and $8.25. Yeah, that's it, man. That's all I got for you. ETC on the daily. All right, significant time scale. I looked at DGB earlier today, Greg P, or something, or yeah, today. Looked at it, man. Scroll through some more chat, and then we'll just keep on rolling. Okay, we got QKC up next. Once XLM, this is one of these we looked at today in the day stream. What's up, Jay Aberman? Glad you made it.
You know I show up here every day and learn something new. Thanks, Mitch.
Matt Shaver, thanks for the 333 repeating course. Much love, dude. Much freaking love. I'm glad you're learning stuff every day. Okay, everyone should be learning stuff every day. Crypto Dave, I don't know what that Cardano horizontal Kang camel at 7 cents. Boing, boing, boing. Yes, exactly, dude. Hey, no name. Let's have a steak dinner and split an ETC wedge salad. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. You should mumble to yourself endlessly is what you should bumble yourself. That'd be hilarious. Your 3-year-old destroyed the living room, one-man army. Little turd. Well, maybe little turd and little turf could hang out. Sephiroth's little one, right? Or something, I don't know. My God, man. How about XLM? How about XLM? Hey, B-Slice made it, man. Hey, B-Slice was in Birmingham. If he'd have told me about what he was doing yesterday, very easy to coordinate. You were telling me on the fly, dude. I was already at a restaurant eating. So I'm glad we were close, though. Anything is more entertaining than crypto at this moment. No name says, he says even dying. No, that's, yeah, that might be entertaining, but it only lasts for not long, right? So is Bumbler better than Tinder? I don't know, man. I guess. Okay. Anyway, rabbit holes we going down, man. QKC. continuing to break down. We're looking for that 679. We have triple MACD bullish divergence. And then we have now bullish divergence on the RSI. Very close to that 618. You're getting ready to break to the upside. There's very strong support, I believe, at 619 sats, which is, go figure, right around the bottom of the channel, which if you're in an uptrend are always the best areas to take those low risk, high reward opportunities. Okay. That's it. Hold on. Let me just pour another drink, because why not? My decanter, my crystal decanter. This is, they flew this in. This is water from a glacier. Eskimo medicine, man. All right. Whatever, dude. Perfect. All right. No spills. No spills at all. Hope you got your weapon of choice. Okay, whatever it is. Yep, anytime one-man army looks like it's ready to pop. Is it not? Excellent, Phil, man. Check IRL. All right. We shall check IRL. Oh my god. Here we go. Here we go. What? 8 shots down, Phil? Holy crap. Watch this, y'all. Make sure this is right. Yeah, okay. Here's Phil.
Quick, upload limit.
Upload limit.
Oh yeah.
That's my brother from Australia, mate. I think, right? Bill, man? Because you do say mate all the time. So, I just don't know. Julia, could you tell his dialect? Let us know where he's from. Can I send you an Eskimo? I can't send you the Eskimo medicine man. Okay. That's Shaverman. He is the one that also created the Sword of 1,000 S-coins, man. New Orleans is much dirtier than you imagined. Oh yeah. Hey, let me know how you like that smell, B-Slice. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, soon you will know exactly that smell. Okay, and you will laugh hysterically. Okay, can't wait. Hopefully you haven't smelled it yet, but you will. That's right, man. I don't know what this means. I don't know what the green, someone just subbed to the channel and it blinked green. I don't get that though at all. Okay, I have no idea why my lights blink green anymore. It's hooked up to Twitch. Something happened on Twitch, but I don't know what it is, man. I don't know. You think your dad made us both? Yeah, it's true, Phil. This is very, very true, right? Derek, does someone want to sell Litecoin for $30? Somewhere, probably, right? Okay. It smells like a frat house before the pledge can clean it up. Nah, man, it smells worse than that. Jeez, dude. It doesn't sound like... If it smells like that in a frat house you've been to, that means the pledges are pathetic, all right? And have let that thing go to heck. Let's go to Amazon. Or Amazon. Inverse Amazon now. Okay, man, hit that 50% retrace. When we hit the 50% retrace, we went from 1490, the lowest low 1480, all the way up to its highest high, 1700, 1695. So, dude, what a nice bounce. Daily, you had bullish divergence on both oscillators. Bullish divergence on both oscillators at the 50% retrace from the swing low to swing high. That's what happens. You use the oscillators with the 50% or 618, 382, 786 to make decisions on when one might take an opportunity of low risk to get in on this thing. Okay. But hey, here's the thing. Though we did have such a tremendous break to the upside, look what's going on. Nothing really special, right? Nothing at all. We're in the midst of the downsloping channel still. We're failing today. We tested the 200-day moving average as a resistance when it was once a support, and we failed and closed the week below it at 1665. Everyone be failing to break the, failing to break the 200-day moving average. Pretty important, all right? So everyone be below that. But there you go. We're below it, and we closed on a Friday. All right, so there's your Amazon. Still very much in the midst of a correction, despite anything you believe on any kind of pop. Still correcting. The Apple tank today. Did you, One Man Army, did you see the beginning of the show? The intro? Right, man? I was trying to be cool and fun, and I didn't see anyone say anything about the apple tree. The apple tree! Because I'm not high enough to get that one, as someone from Grandma's Boy would say, right? Oh, frat house. You meant to say fart house. There we go. Fart house. Exactly. B-Slice here in New Orleans. You might as well be drunk. Because you can definitely get drunk off just smelling whiskey and bourbon in the air. Alright. Sure thing, Mr. Beeswax, man. Derek canceled his Amazon. There you go. Protect your gains, Kappa. What's up, Bradford, man? You didn't catch it, dude? Here, I got you, man. Do you see the apple tree? The apple falls far from the tree, man. Oh my god, it's so cool, dude. Yeah, super duper cool. Okay. See some DXY tour. Sure, man. I'll look at the DXY for you. No surprise on XLM though. Dude, we hit target again. Right, hit target on that falling or that rising wedge pattern. Dude, like you hit, dude, rising wedge. Bearish triple MACD, bearish divergence on the RSI at the top, at the heart line. We're screwed. We're screwed. Look what happened. Bled out all the way to the target from the widest areas of the wedge we measured from the breakout. It was down here at 22.294 cents, and we bounced after we hit it. We did not really have one candle body close below it. And at the bottom of this equidistant channel we've been in since August, early August, we bounced. But from the swing high to swing low, we are, probably wouldn't just not fib it like that. We fibbed it like that because we were like, from this breakdown to the upside, 50% retrace, right? Calm, and just everything was telling us, right? So swing high to swing low now. How far have we retraced? So that's what's going on. We're wicking up and failing to break above the 618, our common retrace zone between the 382 and the 618. So you could easily, if this is the impulse, you run up, this anywhere here, we could reverse our price action to the downside, okay? But upsloping channel, holding for now, holding for now. Phil, you don't want subtitles here, man. You just don't. It's okay, Mr. Rajaman.
Crypto high in honor of One Man Army. Could you check turf? Hit the likes. Cygirl likes fireworks. Here is them number 9. Mambo
number 9. Thanks so much, Kyler Murray. Inverse Heisman. Thanks so much for putting Inverse Heisman, because you know Tua will win the day. How many national championships has Kyler Murray won? Oh. Okay. How many losses does Kyler? Oh, he has 1. Kappa. But, you know, it's all in good fun. We respect our teams, we love our teams, and we smack talk because we love each other. All right, and love the sport of foosball. So thanks, Kyler Murray, man. Cheers, man. Okay, yeah, and what's going on? We got what? 86 likes right now. Hit 100 with the fireworks on. Y'all think we could hit 100 likes in the next like 5 minutes? I mean, 143 people watching right now. 155 between Twitch and YouTube. So if you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button, that bell, that's up. Now we will pause for station identification. Okay, here it is. There it is. My God. Just making a retrace after an impulse down that was very, very well expected here. Yes, expected. Rising wedge at the heart line. 50% retrace from a swing out to swing low. Bearish divergence. Here's the move. We got it. Then we bounce. That's it. There's your XLM. Oh my God, man. What's going on, man? What's going on with the turf? All right, we're going to go to turf for Kyler. Two Rivers Water and Farming Company, all in. And we broke the channel that was upsloping like scrubs. But we held the horizontal line support, so crap. Here you have it, man. Here you have it. Super duper scrubby. Turf in a downtrend. OTC holding support though, holding it well. These are inception prices where we are currently. Don't break below 10 cents. You're currently sitting at 19 cents, man. So I don't tell you, you can clearly see the trend is super bearish. I mean, our most previous low is our lowest low of all time on candle closes. Yes, our most recent swing low is the lowest low ever. That should tell you how terrible turf is. But dude, man, it farms water. It literally farms water. Did you not see The Big Short, man, when they said at the end that Michael Burry was investing in water farming companies, man? Did you not see this? We better go all in on turf then, okay? Triggered, man. Here you go. Here's some stuff for you if you want it, okay? Just for fun. Oh, it's almost like a descending triangle. It's just some triangle. You're screwed at some point in the future. There you go. This is just to scare you a little bit, let you know there is a down sloping resistance around 39.40 cents. But at that point, who cares? If you're at 39.40 cents, you're a billionaire, right? Because you're all in on turf. Get this about chat. We're about whiskey drink, all right, man? Just trying to get through turf coin, all right? Turf's the reason I drink. Turf is the reason I live to forget. Did I see PRL? I heard it was a big old scam, a bunch of scrubbiness, all right? Adam, what's up, man? I can put OXB, excuse me. I was thinking SCI UKOG. Yeah, we're gonna look at the US dollar index real quick, all right? So what, dude, this thing it was showing signs of breaking down. It was so bearish divergence on a breakout, but oh, there it is, man. There it is. Yep, hit the 75% trend line of our very, very large uptrend we've been in forever. Like literally forever, since 2004. Yeah, man, knew it. Freaking knew it. Perfect touch. Twice. Look, man. Get a high on price. A higher high on price. Lower levels of relative strength. High on price in the short term. Higher high on price. Lower levels of positive momentum and pending price action reversal. But you've still, look what all you've done is you bounced off this upper trend line of your downtrend that you've been in, right? The top to the all of it, right? Including all of it.
Can we look at CSL Limited, please, Mitch Millord? Bradford Angus Fisher is getting ready to send you shot vids. Keep an eye out.
Alright, Julie, thanks for the 1618, the golden meme contribution at this point. It is a meme. Yeah, MK Turf does look like a turd. I hope they don't have turd in the water. Alright. What are they thinking? Oh, we're gonna be a water farming company and we're gonna sound like turd, our ticker. Wonderful marketing strategy. Just don't get it, man. That's probably the literal reason why they are an OTC. Okay. Is this the Brad halftime show tonight, Mr. Cantamo? Yeah, he's. I'm waiting. I am patiently waiting for him. Okay. Contacts. Autumnal Mead, King Logan. Autumnal. Yeah, apple juice mop. Now we're, okay, man, like, you had the ascending broadening wedge, exhaustion after such a nice run. I'm still sticking by that. We did have a false breakout. Okay, false breakouts happen. Guess what happens if you make an adjustment? It's still an ascending broadening wedge no matter what way you look at it, okay? Impulse consolidation that is upslipping. Can't argue with that. You cannot argue that this is upslipping consolidation, which no one has the opportunity to accumulate. US dollar, all right? So here we are, back testing the channel we broke out of, and it'll be interesting to see if we hold, because this is very significant on the daily. All right, you're showing triple RSI. Yep, triple RSI bearish divergence. Ooh, not good. All right. Heck, man. Here, triple MACD bearish divergence pretty much too, right? From here. So I'm telling you, man, you just wait. This is... Typically, this doesn't end well. Typically. Whatever. OXB for Mr. Adam. Whoa. Whoa. Here we are, man. Here we are. Right at the bottom of this channel, dude. With bullish divergence. I'm going to talk about low risk. This is it, man. Sorry. This is it. Though we could, of course, break out. But, dude, like... I mean, this channel's been going on for like a year now. Okay, so whatever. Adam, let me know what you think. That's all I can tell you. We've already charted this. We had a channel. We broke out of it for a moment. We had that bearish divergence on the RSI up here and got wrecked. We've been in a downtrend since June. Okay, so here we are, though. There's so much selling. You want to talk about even more bullish divergence? Didn't even see it. Just kind of there. Go, man. Even more. Not quite getting it on the RSI yet. And a lot of times we talk about is you'll have the MACD bullish divergence building, and then towards the end, when you know we're for real almost done, you'll start getting RSI bullish divergence, and that would coincide with the MACD, and that's really good, right? Okay, Adam, feedback, let me know. That's pretty sweet. But we are below the 200 MA, 200-day moving average. Not good. But you're just trying to pivot right here. Horizontal line support, 652. This is support we talked about. I don't know when it was that we looked at this. I know it was sometime like last week or something, but holding this for now, holding it. Okay. UCOG. Still holding, man. Still holding. Bottom of this triangle. Breaking out of a beautiful channel. Little bump and run action going. 1 and 2. This is the bump and run. You're out. You're out. You're making higher lows. Accumulation for now. Large. Look, we're talking about our targets. 58.8 cents. Oh, God. Dang. Your measure move the upside, if we were to make it, is $3.75. But from a swing high to swing low, it could extend on much further, as we discussed, for UKOG, between the $4.79 and $7.14. They'd be both rounding up, $4.80, $7.15, whatever, man. All right. You got it. There you go, man. Still holding at the bottom of the triangle for now. Good stuff. We hit areas of support from May of 2017, and we have since double bottomed and bounced. Not making higher highs than our previous highs, but this is why, like this impulse down like this is why this might be very, very, a very good opportunity. All right. But you know that the 236 will be areas of adversity for sure if we do break the upside, just because if you look left, you know, confluent with the 236 is this February 2016 high. Yep, area. So you run up, hit that, and maybe fail to make the measure move and break down here. So this might be an area where one might move their stop up just because of just resistance. And the reason why we don't make measure moves, other resistance points or supports, whatever way you're looking at it, right? So. You're just waiting for the big spike up, Billy, man. All right, man. Let's wait for it. Turf is grounded all weekend. God. Jibe Turvey. Yes, Phil, man. Yes. What's up, Mitch Gray from Straya? Much love.
ICX when possible. No rush, I'll be lurking for a while.
Crap, Julie, I forgot. Jules, thanks for the 12-12, man. And yeah, we'll look at ICX right after CSL. Julie, I'm so sorry. My bad. Jules, man, thank you, dude. Get you, dude. We got you covered. Oh, well, obviously broke some sort of trend, certainly. Okay. Right, you had an uptrend that was so nice, and then you just a velocity trend like a lot of other things, and we broke it easy. Okay. So I'm saying is like we could plot two channels here. The one we broke out up to the upside, and one we broke out of the downside, right? In limbo, maybe. Jeez. I mean, it's just like it just kept going, right? I mean, you had it like this.
Thanks for the update.
Yeah, Adam, man. Absolutely, man. Dude, UCOG looks awesome. Low risk area, right? That's at the bottom of the triangle. Of course, you could crap out. That's why we have stop losses. But, dude, failed trades are part and parcel of it, right? I mean, that's like how it works, but still low risk just because of what's happened. We broke out of a channel we've been in for a long time with a triangle with a lot of upside potential. Okay, then we bottomed at critical areas back from 2017 or something. All right, so you know, here you go. You got this channel, whatever. Probably could make it more accurate, including more here. Yeah, that makes sense. So if you include all this, right, all the way back, my God, 2011, right? This has been uptrend, and then all of a sudden, Kangs, right? Just stupid. Went so high. Okay, see the anchor points like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then broke out briefly with bearish divergence on the MACD, barely on the daily. I barely can't even see it. Only had it on one oscillator. Sometimes it happens. Yeah, my contact's killing me. Alright, so you see what happened there, Julia? Others could make the argument that, okay, man, is it some sort of ascending broadening wedge? Yeah, big time. Big time. What the channel?
Can we look at UDR? Thanks, Mitch.
Deja vu. Philip, man, thanks for the 420 of Litecoin. Much love, man. Oh wait, sorry.
Is that a join?
Here we go. Okay, so that is a school of thought, right? You see the heartline resistance and respect here on the way up, right? Then we broke it and started using support, and then went bonkers, and then just huge breakdown, right? That'll happen, right? Where you have you break out and then you come back down, you huge spike down, and you just you see how you got that. It's like compensation for like the insanity on one side, pendulum effect almost, you could say. We got that right here. So we're back inside the channel at the very bottom on CSL. And what I was talking about, I might just, because I love a good channel, but I also love fractals, man. There's nothing wrong with fractals. Nothing wrong with wedges. Surprising that we didn't hit the bottom there, right? But you just had this megaphone going on, right? Just some sort of megaphone. Almost got to the bottom of it, didn't, and you bounced. So look at it either way. Retrace wise.
Can you look at DGB once more? Much love. Please clap.
Please clap.
Think so much everybody, that's mine. Is there a secret to 420 contributions on Litecoin? What is it, Philip, man? What's the secret recipe? Let us know, or we'll get you, dude. We will get you for sure. All right. So retrace wise, it was prudent to see how far we swing low to the swing high. We bounced at that 382, a common retrace. All right, but now let's see how far. Swing high to swing low. We are retracing. We are not even at 382. We could run up all the way to 196.60. Could run to 203.64, and could also run to 210.67 before breaking down again. All right. But nasty move down. Nasty move down. I'm not trying to confuse people, but fibs are fibs, and you use them relatively. Okay. And we just wanted to see how far we retrace from this major swing low to swing high. It was 38% of the way. Hey, fine, formidable, normal retrace that you should always get after a while. And we're bouncing, and we have not hit the 382 from the swing high to swing low yet. So we keep going a little bit more, but probably what's going to happen, especially with the market the way it is right now, going to make a lower high than our previous high and then break down again. Julia, okay? All right. Okay. Thanks again, Julia, for the golden meme contribution. Okay. Look at their respect on the heart line like Kangs. Look at the 75% respect like Kangs. 75% support, respect like kings. Just ridiculous, dude. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for your local on the lates. Just got a big cat. Jules, you're up next, man. BTX. Gosh. Here we are. Here we are. You know, very, very close to making a move to the upside or downside. We are running out of room. We are out of room. We are out of time relative to the year of 2018. It's coming, man. You got to be patient. People are quitting, giving up. We can clearly see it in the analytics. It's just people, the public is done with crypto. Good sign, good news. And when that happens, big pop the upside downside, right? People are done. What was I going to look at? Crap. I was going to do something. I can't remember, man. Can't remember. Excuse me. Excuse me. Is this thing on? Anybody? Like, oh, fireworks? What? Hey, we did it, man. Thanks for the 100 likes, y'all. Much love. Throwing them on now. Boom. Awesome.
Many thanks, Mitch. Much appreciated.
Oh, it feels so good! Julie, that was for you. Thanks so much for the 1618 times 2 multiple golden meme ratios in the jar. You're amazing. Okay? Freaking love you. Okay? Fantastic. Juan Carlos, Camaco, Bittencote, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. The Jesus person. I wish I had 4 names. Can anyone give me 4 names? Can I be knighted or something, please? Alright. Kang Logan, knight me. Thanks. Okay, that's it, man. Here you are. Downslipping resistance, upslipping support, accumulation, and lower highs. Neutral, but the bears have the edge because the support below is so bad, and the resistance above is almost overwhelming. Right? I'm talking for real, dude. You got resistance everywhere. You got major resistance, resistance zone. Dude, we really want to get into it. Resistance. Come on, dude. Really? Oh, you can have some there. I mean, dude. Alright, look at the difference. Do you see the difference? Okay. Big, wide open spaces here. Big, wide open spaces. We could run up as high as 6,800 if we broke this. That's probably going to be the first resistance. Broke 6,800, go to 73.75, 77.18. All right, but breaking down. So much chop, so little chop. Get it? What's happening? That's why the bears have the edge. Just saying, man. All right. Medulla oblongata. Robin, that's right. Side girl, we've made her night. The fireworks are going. Man, I need to get firework sound bits. Okay. King Logan says, all water is connected. Once radiation is in the water, it spreads everywhere. Oh yeah, it spreads everywhere. Especially any landmass touching the Pacific Ocean. Lego is the biggest cartel. Yeah, Lego, man. Nope. Otherwise, we would be saved. Billy, what are we talking about? Turv gonna save the day. Zoro's here. Chaelin's here. Chaelin, where's XRP? I'm having like, y'all got any more of them emoji balls? Please. My God. Yep, out of the room on weekend scrub volume again. Bull run born out of pessimism. Yeah, maybe so, dude. Maybe so. People are doing Bitcoin. So that means more people want to buy, right? Not really. If this were, I'm just kidding, right? Kind of in a way. It's just the sentiment is just gone on this thing. The hype from last year doesn't exist anymore. Stock market, inverse of that too. Like everything's different. 180 from how it was last year, right? TA the first. What do you mean, Mishkantama? If I'm Mary a princess, I can be Earl. Earl Mitch Ray. What is Earl? What do you mean, blockchain bandit? Okay. Oh my God. Lincoln Logs. Sorry. King Logan just knighted me. Excellent. I did it, man. We did it. Twinbase buying Bitcoin Cash. I mean, technically, I got no issue with that. Technically, Bitcoin Cash broke out of a channel a month ago. Okay. It broke out a month ago. So, Twinbase is not doing anything wrong by buying Bitcoin Cash. Now, he may have just bought it if he bought before the breakout. Good for him. But, like, if he bought now, it's a little FOMO-y. But, dude, yeah, this thing could extend on. We're hitting critical resistance levels right now. But, like, well, you know what? Let's get a couple of these requests out of the way, and then we'll go to BCC, okay? Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. Hold on. UDR. 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 Ooh. Close one, man. Close one. Okay, Uder. That huge. Oh, gotta go to the weekly, I guess. My God. You know, been in this uptrend. You made all-time highs. But here, let's go to the weekly. That's what we looked at before. Here you go. On the weekly, all-time highs with bearish divergence. Okay, double topping, triple topping with bearish divergence, and yeah, it seems as though we broke out or we broke down, and we're just still in this little impulse down, upsloping consolidation, and rivaling this top again. Not going to be easy to break, but set up an alert. If we break $40.67, we might have a nice run. Okay, what because we are currently at all-time highs on UDR. But hey, man, it was a scary thing we had on the 200-week moving average. We fell below it and then bounced and ran up. And again, $40.67. That's the big resistance, the all-time high resistance, all right? So if we need to, I can fib extension this, all right? If we ever did break it, we just do a swing out, a swing low. There you go. Your first fib extension is 42.68, right? That's it. So just a lot of rejection, though. Lots of rejection, right? Just saying, a lot of rejection at that all-time high level. Gotta be tough. Gotta be real tough with divergence. Take heed of it. Take heed of the overall market. That's it, man. Still beautiful uptrend. Nevertheless, beautiful uptrend. Thanks again for the contribution, man. Much love. Zooming out real quick. Love this downsloping equidistant channel, right? It's just been so kind, so wonderful. And the falling wedge pattern, right? Impulse down, falling wedge after the impulse down, exhaustion. We hit right around target for entry, low risk. And once we did that, we had a nice bounce, very nice bounce on high volume. All the daily bullish divergence gave us reason to believe. All the RSI bullish divergence gave us reason to believe we can break the upside. But as you can see, looking at the daily, a whole bunch of wicked, right, scrubbing out. So yeah, you're outside the falling wedge pattern. That's it. That's about it, man. Okay. Talked about if we did break out of this convincingly, the measured move of this falling wedge pattern was at 464 sats, man. Pretty far away, but having tons of issues. You can clearly see the 50-day moving average and the 75% trend line of our equidistant channel. That's what we're struggling to break. Even though we had some elevated volume, especially on the 4 hour, right? Whoops, holy crap. Hope it helps. Whatever. This was there we were looking for, waiting for, finally got it right around there and then bounced. Sir Lord Ray Sama, yes. Scantama. Yeah, it seems strange why Korea Bitcoin volume. So, does anyone have any more information on this box stuff? Crypto Yeti was talking to me about it. And then I saw an article talking about debunking it where it was fake or something. Can somebody illuminate me more on this craziness? That is 133,000 Bitcoins were bought or something stupid. OTC. I don't know. Were giving me 4 names. Hey, I always wanted 4 names, and I also wanted to be a dinosaur. Mitch Ray, Mitch Damon, dinosaur. Okay. Pterodactyl. So I can fly, man. That's a lot of names. More than 4, it seems. If I marry a princess, it doesn't make me a prince. I become an earl. Interesting. I didn't know that, Blush. I'm an earl. I could be an earl, man. You too can be an earl if you put your heart and soul into it, right? Thanks, Billy, man. 10 vase, who is she? Oh, Phil, shots fired, man. Shots fired. Time Base is working with Star Wars Worlds? Maybe so, Billy Man. Maybe so. What the heck is Quark Chain? No name. Just a beanie, baby. Just a chart. Busty? What is Busty products? Or like Tron Connect? Phil, I don't know what Busty products are. Okay, sorry. Phil, you're looking at REIT. Crap, we could look at Bitcoin Cash. I forgot. Sorry. Is there a reason? Should I get another drink, chat? I'm like low. Ugh. Just need some more ice. I got ice here. I got it up here. Or I got everything up here. Prepared. The circles under my eyes. Bitcoin Jedi? Yeah, probably. Probably a circles under my eyes. Yeah. JD took plus 20? Dude, why did you get such a terrible line? You got a 6-point teaser? You should have gotten that 7-point teaser. 21.5. Get that half point. That's the whole reason you tease. Fried Vegemite? Oh my god. They weren't bought, just moved to a Binance wallet. Oh man.
Should you get another drink? What kind of question is this?
Oh, it feels so good! Julia, thanks for the 1618, and thanks for the... There it is. Alright. Okay. Okay, give me like 2 seconds. I'm going to This song sucks, man. This one's not any better, but okay. We'll book it. Alright, give me like 2 seconds. Crap!
Check Discord message.
I think I missed ICX, dude. My bad. No, did I? I did miss ICX, dude. Oh my god. Screw Reed. Let's get up. Not screw Reed. We'll come right back to Reed, okay, man? Jules, man, dude, thanks for the 1212 times 2 now. Much freaking love. And, let's see if I can make this happen. Alright, here we go. Hold on, I'm posting. Here's our, richest, Bitcoin addresses, okay? So we'll leave this up. I'll gonna get this drink made. Hold on a sec. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Dude, that's fancy AF.
Is this fancy, man? The crystal, the cancer man, Rob Ian. Dude, Rob, imagine shooting this with your skeet shooter, man. With the shotgun, dude. This will be like lit, dude. Explode everywhere, but yeah, it'd be a costly. I have no idea where this came from or how much it would cost. I don't know. It's pretty crazy. Thanks, Robin, man. Seriously, dude. Thanks for the. I think this is what you're talking about, unless you're talking about this special highlighter, man. Okay, I highlight this in books. So, Jules, man, thank you for that awesome information, okay, about the top Bitcoin wallets, right? And I'm trying to make sense of, like, is it like the guy bought all these coins, all these Bitcoins? All right, because can anyone make sense of this chart better than me? Y'all saw it. Sorry, I'm burping, but right? Somebody, please.
Did it show up on your doorstep like a stray baby in a basket kind of thing?
This is my baby, but it came from an Eskimo medicine man, Robin. Okay, this is the canter. It's fantastic. This is what good-looking water. This is Kang Logan could tell you. This is what good-looking, healthy, positive energy radiation water looks like. Okay, let them know, Kang Logan, please. Robin, take note. Okay, we're teaching you about radiation water and some of the charts sometimes, right? Much love, dude. Thanks for the 833 total back to back. Boom. Thank you, dude. So here you go with okay, man, we just can't do it on ICX, right? We just can't do it. It looks like we double bottomed and we found that bottom near the bottom of the equidistant channel. That, remember, we just can't break the 25%. We can't do it. Can't do it. So there you go. Once you fail enough times, right, instead of getting held back a grade, you get held back 5 grades, all right, in grade school. So currently, a nice impulse up. There's probably coinciding variables, reasons to believe why. Not, yeah, just had that divergence right going on. Whatever. Okay, so we had some divergence, not on the RSI, just the MACD, and we're back in the channel and just holding support, right? You fall out, you break back at the upside, you need back test. We're back testing the support again, very well established support. Did it multiple times. We'll see the impulse up, down sloping consolidation, proper retraces most likely. It looks like at 50%, and hopefully we can run again. A nice break to the upside on ICX, but you never know, man. You never know. We just been having lots of issues making higher highs. You can't do anything. Volume sucks. Very little demand, I believe, for ICX. Just this disgusting move down. Eventually, finally, you're going to hit areas of support. Look left. Yeah, you broke down to inception prices. Back to December of 2017. You hit some of the lowest lows you've ever seen. Pretty much the lowest low. All right. It's called the altcoin ice age. An ice age occurs on the planet when you need to reset your climate. Guess what? Altcoins reset their climate, aka their prize from the Great FOMO. It's over. All right. Okay. Cool. Jules, man. So thanks again for that awesome. I'm actually gonna bookmark this. This is a BA, man. And I'm gonna post this. If it's cool with you, I'm gonna post this in chat. I'm sure. I think you would like the knowledge to be spread, right? This is awesome. Posting this link, bitinfocharts.com, from Jules. Big shout out to him. Thank you so much, dude. Seriously. What?
Alabama's LSU on their kangaroo tide. 888,888,888,888,888,888,888,888,888 for
Is that a joint?
coins tonight. Bet it all on Bama Bama roll tide 35. LSU 27. My prediction, J Jesus, people love you, my brother from Bama land.
How in the world is LSU gonna put up 27 points on Bama? And if Bama hits 35 points, that's an all-time record for Alabama in Death Valley for points, right? Dude, John Laro, dude, who's Alabama? Alabama. That was the question. I thought you were talking about Alabama, but then I read it. It's Alabama. I don't know Alabama. They sound like a pretty good team, but would they cover? Yeah. If so, you're saying they're gonna win. Bama's gonna win by 8 points. That means you could tease Bama. You could get them at minus 7.5 because it's not minus 4.5 right now. You get them minus 7.5. Tease it with Georgia minus 1.5. That's a lock, dude. Georgia minus 1.5 against Kentucky is a lock. This game, people keep asking me, it's like, dude, you go plus 21.5 with LSU or minus 7.5 with Bama, all right? In Death Valley at night, man, the whole world's gonna be on Bama. The pressure will be on Bama, all right? So. There's more vegetables than chicken. Derek, is this true, man? Can we change the lighting? Somebody, please? Can we get the white out of here? Like, what is this? This is not a hotel, not at the Hampton Inn right now. It's Friday night. Let's get some chill lights. Someone in Twitch, all 2 of you in there, all right? Also, Jules is the new boss, so. King Logan says the wallet address lookup thing is pointless to look at, though. One person could own 10,000 addresses with 50 Bitcoin. No way to know. Each address doesn't separate owner. Well, there you go. I guess we're screwed. I guess we are screwed then.
Mr. Sabine loves he is mad at you missing class this week because you were getting wrecked.
John Lar, Mr. Sabine loves me, but he's mad at me. I was getting wrecked. Yeah, Halloween I got wrecked, dude. Who didn't get wrecked on Halloween? It all started with this beautiful decanter from the Eskimo Medicine Man. Okay. Much love, dude. Thanks, John, man. Bitcoin Jetta says his buddy just bought 9 Bitcoin today. You finally got him in the market. You better be... you better be careful. You could expect a big payday if we break the upside, but flip the coin, break the downside. Yeah. He's going to probably hate you. But imagine the people that were getting other people in during the Great FOMO, during like 15 to 18,000, 19,000. Imagine those people getting others in, sucking them in. Holy crap. Or Satoshi himself. Oh, maybe it was Satoshi then Kang Logan, dude. Did you ever think about that, man? Capo. If you click on the address, you'll see the 50 Bitcoin is chump change compared to the addresses. Shoot the decanter at 3,000 subs, Greg Warren. No, I'll shoot that at like $3,000. How about that, man? Dude, that's just stupid to do that, man. Stupid. That's like asking to be like vomiting everywhere. What's up, Joffrey Masters? He made it. Pure high quality H2O. Julia's had that. She knows what it feels like. Okay. Who doesn't love Waterboy? Waterboy and Tua Tagovailoa are the only people in the world that have ever come in at halftime to win the Bourbon Bowl. You understand? Chug the decanter. I'll take a chug. No, I'll take a shot out of the decanter if the jar is full. That's it, man. Like, dude, that's like, dude, I'm chugging that Irish whiskey. That's a lot of Irish whiskey, man. Radiation water. I'm trying to be funny. Going to buy a bottle of water. Do it, Derek, man. Get your decanter water. Radiation water. You put $50,000 in at 26,000 Canadian. You lost 90%. No name. What do you mean, dude? Oh my God, is Melissa here? Melissa Stewart, the Iowa. Jesus, lady, tell Bone Dan's 420 that we say hello. And Iowa, y'all got a big game tomorrow. Y'all playing Purdue, right? That's gonna be huge. Whew. That's gonna be a big one. Seriously, I can't wait to watch that game. Drink is stout, man. Was Zero here? Dude, is Zero freaking here, man? Aloha Obama. I'm missing chat. I missed this chat. Barack Obama. Yes, we can. What's up, True Stoner? Did I say that already? I don't even remember. Oh my God. Never buy the top. Are you sure, Billy, man? I don't know, man. All in, right? All right, let's get to let's go to REIT. We'll go to MFT after REIT. Okay. Read for Philip again. Sorry, man. Crazy uptrend. This is off just a little. Okay, man. So you see what happened? Like a 10-year, decade-long uptrend. Dude, we got March 2nd again, right? March 2nd, 2009. Here we are. We broke out. We ran up, hit this 25% trend line and failed. And we're back outside of it. And that's it. So I don't know, man. You know, it's interesting because this is all-time highs, and you're doing this. You've got this going on, which is so weird, right? It just how? Look at the weekly. The weekly. Why is this off, man? Did we go log scale? No, we didn't go log scale. What's going on? Oh, monthly maybe? What? Monthly? Oh, yeah, the monthly, dude. The monthly. Monthly bearish divergence. Monthly 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 sextillion RSI. Bearish divergence. Sextillion. How often we talk about that, man? All right. Understand on the monthly, just like the REIT, just like the S&P 500, just like the Dow Jones Industrial, Russell 2000, the NASDAQ, all showing similar things after a 10-year long market cycle. Of course, it could continue on up. Of course. Of course, good. But on monthly, September bearish engulfing candle. We're still holding this 20-month moving average for sure. Dude, don't ignore that. One should never ignore sextillion RSI bearish divergence. Okay, it's not a joke. But hey, man, whatever. Screw it, man. What's 7 times? Not sextillion, but what's the next one? What's after sextillion? Cigarette tillion. Satisfied tillion. Somebody? I don't know. All right. There's your REIT. Scary stuff. It's just been a long time, man. Long time. Let's go to MFT. Here's MFT, man. And a nice uptrend. Been going on. Oh, rising wedge. Sorry. Well, no, not even. Dude, it's like an ascending triangle. Of some sort, right? Jeez. A little bit of rising wedge. Not even, dude. Dude, this doesn't... I don't know, man. If you know about the ascending triangle, you got somebody, some institution, some person, some peoples up here that are offloading MFT at this fixed price of 172 sats. Okay, they're literally offloading, but you have forms of accumulation every time they offload. Once all these orders are filled, the psychology is what might happen is once all the orders are filled, there is no more supply at this price. The only demand might be at 180, 100, 200 sats, whatever. And that's normally why we get huge breaks to the other side, because there's no one else selling at this price. People might be selling up here, and that's why you get huge breaks to the other side real quick. But look, impulse up, ascending triangle, could be a bullish continuation pattern on MFT, and if that's the case, we would most certainly be breaking out of this upsloping channel that's been so well respected. I just don't know how that's going to happen, especially the fact that we've got 1, 2, 3 triple MACD bearish divergence. This point, you had RSI bearish divergence. We hadn't looked at this in a minute. Okay, it happens. And now you're kind of double topping on the RSI, right? You're just hitting that overbought territory. But nevertheless, from this high to this higher high, lower levels of relative strength. So you could just almost certainly say, hey, bearish divergence, whatever. Bearish divergence at the top of a channel. Be careful on MFT. Just be careful. That's it. Anyway. Let me get this some chat. Sorry, I've been doing some coins, some stuff. Appeasing some peoples. Gatorade. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. You want to make a bet, but know nothing but questionable. Understand and know if you tease Georgia, 7-point teaser, get negative 1.5. That's a lock. You can lock that in with Alabama minus 7.5 or LSU minus 21. They might both cover. Holy crap. BCN, Benito Coin, you learned, dude, if you didn't learn your lesson about Benito Coin when he came in and insulted me and he literally called the highest level we ever saw again. We never saw that. It's so crazy. When Benito did that, insulting me, saying if you knew how to read charts, you'd know we broke out. And it's like the universe absolutely devastated him. That was the highest price we ever saw again on BCN. You understand? There was not one Satoshi price above where he said that. And since then we just lower lows every single time and then delisted and destroyed even more. Just crazy world we live in, man. Seriously. You got one Bitcoin. Yeah, I hold 1.35 Bitcoin cash. Roger Hill, always. Just been holding it. Thanks, Mr. Hewitt, for the contributions for that. I will not sell that. I will hold that, as well as all the other cryptos that have been contributed to me, to the wallet. So about Texas Crazy Horse, stop lurking, man. Welcome, dude. You're just changing the colors, but not saying hello. Good to see you, man. All right, Julia. Is she out of here? Dang. It's unfortunate. Julia is a just pillar of this community. Oh. No sextuplets. PG-13, please. Miss Cantoma, I can't help it, man. I can't help it. Yep, housing market. That's right, Philip, man. That was for you, dude. The REIT was for you, dude. Holy crap, we've been live for an hour and 53 minutes now. Are you kidding me, dude? What the? How does it even happen anymore, dude? I don't even get how time works anymore. It's just stupid. It's just stupid, dude. Oh, it's pink, man. Yeah, it's pink. Ah, yeah. Is that how it works? We have shirts that come off and stuff. I don't know. Illuminati Cola. Just can't tell me, dude. The heck? Oh, Julie's not going anywhere. Awesome. Someone said goodbye to you. I don't know why. Maybe they were leaving. I don't know. It's weird. BCN will rise again. Rise, I tell you. Okay, John Hill. We'll see, man. We'll put an alert on MFT. If we get a beat, man, that means we're breaking out of an ascending triangle. Whatever. But, dude, I get it. Okay, you could just keep on running, but say you break out. You think you're going to break 179 with this? You're not going to break 179 sats like that, dude. You might break out, but that's just going to give you a false hope because, oh, hey, man, I just trade triangles. So you don't do channels. So you don't know there's an upsloping resistance up here. That's your loss, right? What's up, Crypto GMA? You love me. This is why you posted pink. Should you sell your original Shazam Shack VHS on eBay for capital to trade? I don't know, man. That might be appreciating continuously, right? This is MFT, as you can see. subliminal free television. You can see the magnified ticker MFT. It's not Microsoft, but it's ghetto Microsoft. It's mainframe, whatever that is. Beanie Baby, just Beanie Baby. In an uptrend, beautiful uptrend, right? Hello? I'm back at the Hampton Inn. Hello? Yeah, man. Anytime the white lights come on, I'm just gonna stop the music. Yeah, put on those white lights again, dude. Put on those white lights again, see what happens. About to go nuts. Aaron M says, who remembers Shaq Fu the game? Who remembers Aladdin from Sega Genesis? Anyone remember that game where you eat the apples and you see the Aladdin heads and you try to get them in their lives? Does anyone remember that? Aladdin? I remember that game. It was tough. It wasn't easy. It was not an easy game. Ooh, I like the blue, man. The white it burns. Yet, Julia, I don't have melanin. We discussed this earlier today. Hey, you're getting tornado warnings. Yep, Monday night I should be getting nasty tornado warnings and stuff. It's kind of scary. Big system. My NOAA weather radio was telling me about it. I'm very excited. I love bad weather, but I don't want to die. So it's like catch 22. Aladdin was amazing. Excellent. Eduardo says that game was the best. Yeah, man. We all remember that game, dude. You played that in the Double Dragon for Sega? What happened, Philip, man? Acadian, what system? No, Aladdin, not on Acadian. Easter Island heads being giant. What is that? Ireland, Scotland, something? Yep. Oh, and I could imagine living in New Zealand. I hear there's a hole in the ozone around New Zealand. We're waiting for a move to the upside down side. We have price contraction that is critical mass at this point on Bitcoin. Speaking of, it's now time for perfect time. Go to Bitcoin. Oh my God, man. You see the price contraction, the upsloping supports, the downsloping resistance. We are at critical mass. A big move to the upside downside's coming, because either way, breaking the upside means you have significant development because you've been respecting a trend line for so long, for all year. And then if you break to the downside, you are in the middle of a significant development because you are breaking a June 24th accumulation level, right? So either way, whatever you break, significant, and that's what's happening. We are contracting in. We got no more room. We got like a few days left until we're literally starting to just walk out of it. Okay? That's it. I did not play Leisure Suit. I played Sega. I played like you know. All right, pause the music. We're at the Hampton Inn right now. Okay, we're in Hampton Inn and somewhere in southern New Jersey. Okay, and we're just you know, hanging out. It's a Wednesday evening. Okay, we're good. We don't have to do that anymore. Okay, it's Friday night. Music's back on. We're good. No more Hampton Inn white light. All right. Don't make me do this again. Blow off some steam. Element of the show. Outdoor. You mean like you want me to do IRL, Greg, outside? Stream outside? I mean, I could. Whatever. Oh, you want to shoot something? Interesting. What are y'all talking about? Oh, eggplants, Julia. Eggplants for Julia. What? Blockchain Bandit says, am I seeing an ad right now? Turn $20 a month into $30,000 better than Bitcoin? Sound legit? Oh, dude, that's totally legit. Pause the music. Oh my God, we're at the Hampton Inn, man. It's a Wednesday or a Tuesday, and everything sucks. And we're on a business trip. Yeah, come on. Make this show terrible. Taj. Julia, please change it. Thank you. Everyone wants to make it white. We'll just make this show terrible. We'll make it terrible. Every time you turn on the white light, we'll make it terrible. Okay. TA and TNA, exactly, Greg. You going to the strip club later, Greg, man? Hey, Crypto Tiger, welcome, man. Divergence on the wholesome indicator, yes, absolutely. I was just confused right now. Oh, yeah, Sean, we can go to BCC. Sorry, man. I think we missed it because we had a bunch of requests, right? Oh, God.
With the white light, you look like a crypto angel. Angelic face.
You mean a crypto ghost, Robin. Thanks, man. For the 333 repeating course. Thanks, dude. Do you, man. What more do you want? What more do you want hitting critical areas of support? You had no but divergence. Unless you want to say, hey man, okay, it's Tuesday evening. We just flew in from. Okay, we're good. What's wrong with my brain? Why is my brain so weird? Okay, just wondering. Low on price, lower low on price. Lower levels, negative momentum. And if you want to look at it like that, low on price, large spike, and low strength. Do the same thing, right? You just, okay, long extended. So you had some bullish divergence, believe it or not. And you had that support and you broke the upside. Huge, nice. But here's the more telling part. What's more important about Bitcoin Cash. This downtrend we have been in so long, we broke out of it and we've stayed out of it. Like Ripple. Bitcoin Cash has done things. And now it's busting the upside. But we already fibbed it. Okay, we fibbed this. And it is nice, but you know, this is what you do. Yeah, swing high to swing low. You haven't even hit 382 yet. Maybe we could see a nice bull pole, bull flag combination. We get a measure move, run up to 618. But I'm telling you, anywhere between 501 and 522, this is your area where you have a high or elevated chance to break down to low prices, right? Run up, whatever, and down, right? That is, you have a high chance of doing that. It's because your retrace zone, man. That's it. That's how it works. Impulse down, you retrace, you break down again. So there you go on BCC. You just want to ride the fort, Kappa. Yep, Kappa indeed. Can you hear this music? Pretty dope. John Hill, that kind of question is obviously impossible to answer without complete speculation and butt grabbing, okay? I don't like grabbing butts. Thanks, Julie. Yeah, I love the beats. The progressive house is like kind of become my favorite genre of music. I love it. It's so good. It's just so like that tempo keeps you going. Like subliminally, it keeps you engaged and it keeps you focused, right?
Check out the new one from Phil Centura in IRL Discord.
Oh my god. Okay, alright, hold on. I got Julia. Are you kidding me? 4 times we got the golden meme contribution, the Jesus lady. Julia, you think we could hit the top of the jar? If we could hit the top of the jar, remember what I said. We're getting there. Look, we fibbed the jar, and I knew we'll fib the jar. Everyone's like, make it, screw this guy, screw him. I wasn't even the one that came up with the idea to fib the jar. Someone else did this idea. Okay, so fibbing the jar, we're gonna swing low, swing high to swing low. We're above the 618. 786 is right here. So 886, and then your 100%. If we can hit the 100% on the jar, I will take a shot from the decanter, or straight from the decanter. All right, but legit, I don't know. We're so close anyway. Throw a bunch of ones in there or something. See if we can do that. Doesn't even matter. I'm just telling you, this is a goal, Julia. See if we can do it. All right, here we go. This is my brother. Okay. Somehow, he might be from another mother, but definitely from the same like bloodline. So hold on a sec. Here he is.
Sorry, no shots on the drinks.
No shots, only drinks. He apologized too. So.
Oh yeah.
Dude, what was that? That looks stupid stout. That is not the way my beer looks normally. All right. Oh my god. Phil, man, what was that? Had to have been a stout or a porter or something. Do you like chugging steaks? Because that's the way I feel when I try to drink any kind of stouts. Can't stop moving when the music's on, Juliet. Perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. Okay. You're drinking, Phil, man? Crypto Twins? What are you talking about? Hold on, I gotta get this. I gotta get this on my stream deck from old Jeremy, man. Where's Jeremy been at? I think he's been busy or out, right? You hear this music going on? It's loud, I know. For a reason.
Bitcoin going to the moon.
Just imagine, man, just like chilling out, listening to that, and just hearing that. Fantastic. Sorry, I downloaded something. Hold on a sec. Oops. Sweet. Getting this dark? Oh my god. Scotch whiskey might? What? Might? Okay, I get it. I get it. Scotch whiskey. What the... Did it look like beer? It just looked black. It just like a black glass, right? Here in my car, I feel safest of all. I can lock all my doors. It's the only way to live in cars. Isn't that a Traffic song or something? From the 80s? Cygirl? With like motor oil, John? Yeah. Hey, Muhammad, man. Good to see you, dude. Welcome. Welcome to the party. It's 1:13 Eastern. I am overtime. We're discussing options of how to get me even drunker, but not gonna happen. Never happens these days. Okay. Well, you know, because it's Halloween. And maybe my birthday a little, but that's, you know, those are anomaly days, right? Car song? Oh, it's the car song? Oh, Greg, excellent. Anyway, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin going to the moon. Okay, man. Whatever. Say what you will about Bitcoin Cash, but it has found a bottom and it has broken to the upside on very good volume. Alright? Okay. I don't even know how many charts with that. Been a good show. 18 charts analyzed tonight. 18, 2 hours and 15 minutes we've been live, all right? Nice. Roger Ellis is one Bitcoin Cash today, or maybe it's BitConnect, right? Maybe it's BitConnect. Stuart, I guess go to the government mansion. Yeah, absolutely, man. So I'm just like turning the music up a little bit. I've been live and figure when people would listen to music, chill out, right? Relax. Derek says, I'm glad we all can get a loan close to holidays. Seems kind of awkward. Derek, what do you mean, man? Can you re-articulate that sentence for me? Thank you, dude. I don't speak Sputnik. There's a lot of Russian people here. Julia! You're not waiting for a BCC scam coin, Roger? What do you mean? Did you say you just bought, you own BCC, man? Or you own it? Back to October 18th of 2017 prices. No, October 16th, 17th. Oh my God, birthday of last year. Holy crap, my life was so different. Because of y'all, my life has become 180. Or you see this point on the chart? This point on the chart to this point on the chart. My life is not like Bitcoin Cash at all. My life from October of last year, this is it, right? It's like this. Like you can't even see the top. That's what y'all have done for me. That is how my life's changed since last year, and I'm very grateful, and I love y'all. Okay. Whew. My God, man. Looking at historical supports, get me a little emotional. All right, no need to ruminate. All right, we're good. Cleaned it up. Anyway, man, best of luck. I own 1.35 Bitcoin Cash for life. Just because of the way it works. All right, so. Litecoin Cash fork? No, I don't, man. I don't. GBTC, man. Oh my God. What is that? What does the G stand for? I'm sure people did say TRX was like crack. Stuart, I actually looked into a local blockchain community where I live, and it was so outdated, and there's just so like no one cares about crypto, right? But I saw people back like when Tron was like 15, 20 cents. It was like, hey, y'all ever heard about Tron? And I was just like, yeah. It sucked, man. It sucked. Hey, Julia. One-man army. Stuart. Logan. All y'all. Been around just forever. Y'all held with me through thick and thin, okay? Lurk all you want, man. Lurk all you want, Stuart, man. You've been around since like the beginning, dude. Okay, so thanks, blockchain bandit, man. You know, it's like terrible times, right? Terrible times, all this, all year, right? All year. And it's just like invest in yourself in these downtrends. So once that bull run comes again, you know how to size it up and take advantage of it and understand when you're starting to top out, right? That's it. Nah, Landcow, what's TRX, man? Sounds like a, I don't know, sounds like a Twizzler or something, or a pretzel Twizzlers. Is it a new thing? The kids these days. Right. I want to say, about to DJ a little bit. Join this music, join this live stream, join these requests, this partay, hit that like button, that bell, that's up. T-Rex? Jeremy, no T-Rexes here, man. Nah, I don't think so. Sorry, dude. Crew Tiger? Yeah. Here is Easter Island, okay, for y'all that don't know. There it is. Right? South Pacific. You know, this isn't too far off the Nemo spot. You are in an area in the South Pacific where you could be closer to people on the International Space Station at times when it orbits over you than you would be towards actual people laterally on the planet. So, yeah, South Pacific, where Easter Island and all these other places are, you know, it's very far away from most humans on the planet. Crazy, crazy area, okay? Cool. fucking love them. Sorry I got loud, but you know, it's just the effect of the show, man. I know the decibel levels are loud. I wasn't talking. I'm trying to do my thing, man. All right, cinematography in a way, right? It's a rave, Phil. It's a rave with good music, though, right? 50K Bitcoin by December, this said John Hillman, of course. Oh, Bitcoin gold long. This was like the most absurd chart ever, okay? It's continued on, man. Bitcoin gold is kings. Bitcoin gold. How is Bitcoin gold more than Bitcoin diamond, man? How is this happening? Oh, what happened to music? Hold on a sec. Let me check it. I got this, dude. Watch this. I need to have just 2 tabs open. Yes, it is a rave, by the way. Bitcoin has a better prospect than silver. Hey, Brody, what are you talking about, man? Who's saying that? Are you putting words in people's mouths? You talking to me? Because I never said that. Just reading chat. Silver is in a bear trend, been in a bear trend since 2011, so actually far beyond that, but in the shorter term, 2011, it's been a bear trend, okay? Anytime, crypto Tigerman. Does Amazon deliver to Easter Island? Probably not. No, Bradford, that was the whole point. Music was supposed to be loud. Okay, okay. Hey, what's up, Rahul, man? So just getting to the chat. I'll be wrapping it up in a little bit. I've been like 2 hours, 30 minutes, alright. So, you got your TV cranked, man. Hey, look, I gave y'all a chance to get me effed up, but y'all obviously not taking it the bait, I guess, right? So, whatever. It's all good. The cinematography. Philip, is that it? The cinematography. Cinematography. Why do I keep thinking I said cinematography? Cinematography, right? Cinematography. Whatever, cinematography. Y'all are ridiculous, okay? Get out of here! Bitcoin gold is for Kangs, indeed. It's only meant for Kangs. Get the diamonds out of here, okay? Drinking game, Bitcoin long chart, Bradford. We'd already be dead. We'd been dead probably right here. Right here. Right here. Litecoin gold. Let's do it, Roger Hill, man. I got your back, dude. Oh, the hot tub. Bradford's humble bragging. He's humble bragging about his hot tub extravaganza. Oh yeah, man. Where are your shots, dude? When are we gonna post your shots, Bradford? Cinematographic. Can't log on. That's right, dude. Still alright. Dude, I wish there was an In-N-Out burger here, but there's something local in where I live that's pretty similar to it. So it's got that sauce. Oh, here we go. This is my favorite part. Alright, y'all make up your mind. I'm going to go break the seal. Okay, I'm going to break the seal and make up your mind if you want me to drink another drink, okay? So let me know. But I'll be right back. I'm going to leave this chart up. Why not?
Should you get another drink? What kind of questions are these, man?
Okay, Delia, thanks so much for the 1618 times 5 now. I'll get another drink, just hold tight, mute this mic and keep this fantastic music rolling. I gotta play DJ. So give me a second. Alright, hold on a sec.
Rounds around the world, with above and beyond.
There was so much to doubt, and as you kept me out, I wouldn't let you go. I rushed to your defense, though nothing made much sense. So much I didn't know. But I can't face my life without you. And now I know the whole truth, the demon that's to blame. And every day that I'm without you, I know that you pull through like a phoenix from the flames. The journey will give rise to those who criticize and fail to lend a hand. May all who are unkind, who cast a stone half blind, find ways to understand. But I can't face my life without you. And now I know the whole truth, the demon that's to blame. And every day that
DJ, they returned. Okay, Julia, your wish is my command. Another drink. Kangs. Alright. Super Kangs. Here it is. Alright. This one's for you, Julia.
Rounds around the world, with above and beyond.
Darren Adams, man, we've been waiting for you all freaking night, dude. Where you been? Thank you for the sub on YouTube, the GS man. Welcome, dude. Alright, we've been live for 2 hours, 37, 38 minutes now. Who even cares anymore? Alright. What does that do? Schrodinger's cat, he could be dead, he could be not dead. Also could be female or male, right? Or something. Cinnamon topography, Bradford, yeah, something like that. Am I just saying that wrong? Did I butcher this? Inverse Kangs. Hey, look at Jules HP. Julia. Skyward, what have you done?
Sorry, was AFK WTF is that? Upward sloping moon chart?
Yeah, this is a Bitcoin gold or something, man. Longs chart. It's just been like this since August. Dude, just... Hi, I'm not TA. I don't even know what's going on right now. I'm just gonna be Kang forever. Well, at some point we'll just get a straight up drop, like straight down, all the way back down the bottom. Just probably. This is a chart that we have analyzed. Holy crap. Alright, anyone Bueller? ADA all the way? It's not. Yes. Borderland ADA, it's not. Scrub. Yay. It's super scrub, man. It's pissing me off, man. It's pissing me off. Finally broke this up. Finally broke the heart line of this stupid channel. Finally did that. Alright, and not for long. Positive momentum. Building. It built. Your RSI built. You did not get overbought. Alright, let me continue my DJ journey for you. Alright, okay. Ooh, let's play this song. This song's definitely a change up, alright? So you just deal with it if you want. Okay, I heard this somewhere. Less than formidable, alright? But I heard it, I liked it, I Shazammed it, and now you're going to listen to it. And if you don't like it, you probably don't like butts. But Dunkadunks. Whatever, man. It's okay. It's like, what kids are up right now?
Oh, it feels so good! Will this take out the boss man Jules Santana?
Yes. It is now Julia, the boss, the final boss. That's right. Anyway, so this is called the All Ass. It's the name of the song, right? It's tough. It's not easy to not curse in this day and age with music and stuff, okay? But 88, it's not. Yes, it rhymes. Very behind on chat. Holy crap. Sorry, let me, you heard a tip that Bitcoin was discovered by the NSA. Yep, that's what the, those same people say the earth is flat too. Alright. I need to create my own TA coin. We can use it for tips and private TA. Roger, I have Mitch Ray TA coin, but I'm sure someone else has already mentioned that since no one's mentioned that at all. Wow. Again, Roger, I go to the Waves platform and you can buy Mitch Ray TA coin.
I like both butts and badonkadonks. No kappa.
Thanks, I like butts for the $3.33 repeating, of course. Thanks, man. Much love.
Thank you for the one I was really asking for. Sorry, Julia.
Wait, what happened? Scar, what are you talking about? Hold on. Upward sloping moon chart? Yes. And I think that's what you wanted. Oh, wow. Scar, were you going for Boss Man? Well, you just you chipped a little bit out of our HP right there, so we'll see how it goes. Brody says F Bitcoin, or something along those lines. Something less than wholesome. It's a remix, so it might be Save Bradford, it might be. Well, let's play it after this. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, man, okay. That's all I can do. Alright. What did, oh my god, my chat just got taken out by Restream again, man. Good god. It's so annoying. It's beyond annoying. I promised a shot from the fancy decanter, Julia, but chances of us filling the jar are literally not going to happen. It's very impossible at this point. It's not. Dude, it's like this close, but no one cares, right? No one cares. No one wants to see me take a shot out of the decanter and get S-faced, right? It's not happening. It's just not. Simply not. And the whole, like, whatever, jar has to be full. This is not a joke, Julia. Darren Adams does not want to go to bed. No way, man. Did I take a pic of Princess Riley? I didn't take a pic of.
Is that a joint?
Neo BTC if you want to drink my amazy. Winking face.
Drank mine, I'm easy. What? Phil Centura, you're easy? Oh yeah, man, is this true? Oh! We broke out of the down-sloping channel we had been in since early September. We're out of it, but on low volume. But you had the bullish divergence. The bullish divergence, man. It's there. It's there.
Oh no, this is no joke. This is very serious.
Oh yeah, Julia, is this serious? Because it seems like I love your golden meme ratios, and I love your contributions, and you're so fantastic, but I'm sorry, just to play Thanos, you have not filled up the jar. There is no balance right now, Julia. Or something, okay? I really, really enjoyed picking out the Vet Moonboy overlay alert box. You notice like how if there's a $100 tip, it would be like Thanos getting killed almost by Thor. Pretty much was killed by Thor. I loved that, man. I thought it was so perfect. And then leading up to it, man. No, Rob in, man. Where's Rob? God, man. I gotta get rid of that. ASAP, man. I gotta get rid of it, dude. What is that song, dude? Hold on. Let's see. Oh no, Phil.
Fill the jar.
Hold on, let me do this, man. Don T. Wanna, man. Don T. Wanna. Dude, Phil, man, thank you for the 333, dude. Seriously, freaking love you. I'm trying to play DJ and keep this show rolling for you, the audience, so you could understand why I'm being like all like this, dude. Where's the Darius? Where's the Darius remix, man? Let's get that Darius remix going, man. That's right, man. That's right. You could say that's full. That's not full, dude. Dude, I'm sorry. That is not full. Julia, you can see the technicals. That's not technically full. What is a technical all-time high, all-time low when it physically on the chart hits it, okay? So we're not quite there yet. Sorry. So close. We'll let it. There you go. There's the trend line that we are not hitting.
Oh, it's getting filled. You like that sugar.
Hey, Robin, thanks for the $3.33 repeating, of course. But, dude, we got the trend line there. Okay, remember, the light... Okay, the less the tip is, the lighter it is. So the higher the chance it's going to bounce out. The heavier the tip is, the larger it is, the higher the chance it's going to stay in the jar and not move, right? It's heavier. So here we are. Here's the trend line. As you can see, man, Julia, if you literally zoom in on your screen, you can see you're not quite touching it yet. No one's touched it yet. All right, so take your best shot. The next tip that pretty much lands in the jar is it, okay? So no.
I'm going to take you down if it takes us all night.
That's not touching. Look, zoom in on your 65-inch TVs, everyone, and tell me that's touching. That's not touching. I'm looking at it right now on my OBS. It is not so close though. Very, very close. I'm surprised that $1 contribution stayed in. Variable must be off, right? Look right. No!
It feels so good.
Oh my God, Robin, what have you done, man? No! Oh my God, okay. Alright. I told you I would take a swig shot from the decanter. I did not say I would chug it. I didn't say anything absurd. I was very cool, calm, and collected in my rhetoric, speaking to you, the audience, okay? But what I was going to do is going to take a shot from the decanter. So I was going to do. And before I do this, I would most certainly like to get through chat before we do this, just to build up the anticipation. Robin, it is done though. You have done it, man. You've killed me. You've Thored me. I'm Thanos, but you should have gone for the head. Okay, man. Freaking love it, man. Freaking love it. Okay, hold on. Let me just calm before the stormtroopers, Kang Logan.
Why so much wit? Why so much wit? What? Holy crap.
Geometry and physics are not on your side.
No, they're not. And that actually is not on your side, Julie. And this is with a $1. Look, it didn't even touch. Now, Robin put us over the goal line. But that XLM right there did not put you over the goal line, nor did the first one. Holy crap, dude.
Dude, I got it in my hand. I'm just getting through chat before I do this, okay, man? Y'all just relax. It's gonna happen. It's done. I'm not scamming. I got this. Thanks, Crypto Tiger, man.
Oh, Rob, it's a boss, man! Oh, it feels so good!
And now I'm the boss.
Hey, Robin's the boss. Dude, and that really puts you... So you were at the jar, but you're legit at the over the goal line now, Robin, man. Yes, you totally already. Pretty love you, man. Thanks so much, dude, for the $61 in a very short period of time to make me get destroyed. Monkey ass. Where Star Wars World, we have no idea. He's somewhere in the Andromeda Galaxy. Could be in the other galaxies. Have I ever seen it so far above the 200 MA? Oh my god, out of context. This was like 20 minutes ago. Where's Probes, Julia? Good question. Probes probably in Russia getting debriefed, getting, you know, his stuff. Oh my god, that didn't even work.
It's only a matter of time.
I think that the bottom wing might be touching that trend line. Just saying, that could have been it right there. And you got the variables of the Ethereums in the jars, right? I got this though. I'm taking a swig. You know, whatever. I'm gonna take a swig now, shoot it. Y'all can respond, and I'm just gonna be really behind on chat. Don't you dare get mad at me when I take my time, alright? Scared me. Good God, dude, this stuff burns so bad, and my dad drinks it like nothing. This Irish whiskey, this Bushmills, man, he just drinks it like nothing. He's like, here, man, here's a shot glass, just drink it. He didn't even shoot it, he just drinks it straight out of a little shot glass, like, oh yeah, man, no big deal. And I'm like, I can't do this, man. Oh, it feels so good!
How the hell do I have a nemesis? I'm sweet as plum pudding.
Oh yeah! Rob Dot. Yeah, Rob Dot. Thanks for the sexual Verge coin in the jar, man. Thanks so much, dude.
Yup, that there's a belly button.
What? What are you talking about, dude? Feeling it for real now. Holy. Okay. Hold on a sec. Let me get through chat. Hold on, man. Feels good, man. Nice and warm on my stomach, man. Like a warm summer breeze stowing itself through my ears, through my hair. You understand? I don't know what's happening right now. My God, man. Fill the jar. Oh, Bradford, excellent, excellent. But I'm not a wordsmith like you, or rhetoric smith, okay? I'm but simple TA, man. Bradford, man. we checked out my boat plans. We checked out DGB not only once today. We checked it out again in tonight's stream. We've checked out DGB twice today on both streams, man. Can we get the overlay back, Bradford? What you mean, man? What overlay, homie? What you talking about? I haven't said a homie in 10 years. Now I have. Also, just understand there are changes going on, and it's changes in my sobriety. Okay, so just relax.
I know they told you I'll be back for you. Don't worry, I'll be back for you. All the money in cars, stripper hoes in the tattoos. Bad news, back off a coffee bean, reflecting on all he sees. Stressing over award shows. She's stressing over a wardrobe.
Okay. Here's a Neo Keanu Reeves coin. Keanu Reeves coin broke out of a downtrend just briefly on very low volume, and the development pattern just what the Julia, oh my god!
Julia tipped $116.18. That one warmed you up, didn't it? Well done, darling.
Yeah, Julia, that one warmed me up. I love this gift. Julia, yeah, it did. Super sexual. Now nothing will hold in the jar now. Everything will bounce out because that the weight of the anything of this $100 or more is just like very heavy. So like no way anything's holding. Everything will bounce out like immediately. Julia, oh my god, I freaking love you. Look at all the golden beams in the jar. All the Julias in the jar. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you, Julie. Freaking love you, girl. Okay, freaking love you. Sorry. My,
Wiki bro. Cool stream, yo.
Hey, Smelly Pencil, man. Thanks for the smelly pencils on the 333s, man. Thanks so much, man. Sorry that you're Tron Connect, fella. Oh my god. No.
Hey, Julia. Quintules dash. Eggplant.
Queen.
Eggplant. Eggplant.
Is that a joint?
Eggplant. Eggplant.
Wrong.
Eggplant. 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 Uh-oh. Eggplant. Uh-oh. Eggplant. You. Eggplant. Uh-oh. Eggplant. Eggplant.
Dang, that was bad timing. The song ended. When your TTS ended, okay, so it was like really awkward. It's like, uh-oh, eggplant. No.
You will not outlast my onslaught.
Oh yeah, well I'm not Julia's nemesis. Julia, do you see this? Do you see this? Someone's literally attacking you via TTS right now. Okay, we'll see what lost it. I haven't heard this. Okay, when I did hear it, it sounded good. It's rap song. Just relax, okay? It's rap. We're mixing it up. This is intergenerational. You understand the demographic of this show is intergenerational, between like 24-year-olds and like 55-year-olds. You understand? I have to do it all. All right. As long as we all understand, it's not easy for me. Okay, not easy. Freaking love y'all. Trying to make everyone happy. Okay? First loud enough. Too loud. There's no moon. I'm going down, TA mine. Julia, is this true? I don't think so. Julia, I'm still awake. I'm still alive. I'm still here. I'm just a little drunk, okay? I ordered for who's the birthday boy? Julia is final boss. 11,181 HP. Julia has more HP than Kang Logan had earlier. Yeah, so we looked at Raven earlier today, not tonight. Yeah, it bounced and broke out of the downswing trend line, the channel, and it hit the 50% retrace with bullish divergence and bounced like a rap song, man. Big swig, Darren, dude. Too much, man. You heard chug? No. I corrected myself. Definitely did not. I mean, like, I did not ever finalize chug as my wording. Tannerite decanter. Wow, tannerite. It could explode, right? The rockets are suspiciously small, don't you think? It's XLM, Crypto Tiger. It's XLM. It's $1.
Death by 1,000 cuts.
Julia, you understand what's happening. You're going to bleed out. You're going to bleed out. Julia's nemesis is here to stay. You scared, Julia? You might need to be. Derek says, don't call me Earl. And evidently, if I married a princess, I would also be an Earl. What's up, E-Mobs? Or Moz, excuse me, dude. Sorry, it's a little loosey-goosey, man. What's up, GXRP? Good to see you, man. As always. I think you always make it to these late weekend streams where things get lit. Put the mic down and chug. Give me a reason, Phil. Give me a reason. Swig stall? No. Okay, I'm behind on chat. I need some milk. I think that might be terrible right now. I would not want to drink milk right now. That's all it's done, boys and girls. Juliet. Yeah, exactly. Princess Raleigh, I am the man. Princess Raleigh, are you even there? Shouldn't you be streaming or something? Seriously, that's what I say. Juliet. Princess Raleigh, what are you doing? Y'all know who Princess Raleigh is? I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't. Yes, I can. Hold on. Y'all know who Princess Raleigh is? Oh my god. She's like part of our community and like streams. I'm gonna look for it. I don't know where it is, but y'all remember this is Princess Raleigh, and get mad all you want. Get mad all you want. Go ahead and burn me at the stakes. Everyone, burn me at the stakes. This is Princess Raleigh who's talking in chat. Just saying. Okay, let me change the music. Let me change it up. Does anyone approve or disapprove of this PSA public service announcement? I'm missing so much chat. The moon, yeah, you love all the moon stuff. Bradford, I'm working with Shaylin.
Why did you enable $1 tips? Now people can say whatever they want at a premium price.
I had to delete my entire... I had to delete my entire inbox, or no, alert box, because it was bugged out. Completely bugged out to where it wasn't like posting the right text. And when I deleted it and recreated it, it took me like 40 minutes. I forgot the minimum, and now the minimum's staying, and it has not been getting exploited. Actually, the first even hint of exploitation has been happening tonight towards the end, and that's just mild. That's not even a big deal. The exploitation that made me actually move it and change the rule completely, the variation, was there was a live stream like 4 or 5 months, 6 months ago, where someone knew it and then they just kept tipping a whole or beginning of the stream for like 20 minutes, and it's like, okay, all right, you tipped me $20, and guess what? Like every minute, and it was like and then other people started doing it, and just like, okay, I can't even do technical analysis anymore, right? So I've been leaving it up because no one's been really exploiting it bad, right?
If you put her as a thumbnail on your videos, your subs would go up exponentially.
This is true. This is definitely true. Julia's other nemesis thinks that 333 repeating, of course. Yeah, we could probably do something like that. I don't know. It would have to get her permission. I don't know if she would. She'd probably say no, but we could always ask, right? Anyway, sorry, not trying to be weird. Okay, probably being super duper weird, creepy, but it's okay. I sacrificed my life for you, the viewer. Okay, that's it. I'm having trouble reading now. Okay. It's so bad that my restream just pushed me down to the bottom of my chat again. Okay. That's it. Prince Ross says, I am streaming. It's called multitasking. At Mitch Ray. Well, there you go. Prince Riley, it seems she is streaming. Wow. How are you in here? How are you in? Are you literally watching my stream while you stream? That is flattering, I guess, right? That you're actually watching the stream while you're streaming. Wow. Justin King would like to burn with her. I've been live for 3 hours. Need a lot of water. Yeah, maybe so. Right. I'll put the South on the map. What happened, Derek? Man, what are y'all talking about? Is that in a good way or a bad way? Right? I put the South on the map in the bad way. Girlfriend's gonna kill you, Phil, but you'll blame it on Cat Bomb. Just blame it on me. I don't know. A lot of wives hate me, it seems, because people sometimes watch this show instead of spending time with their wives, and that's a no-no. You need to balance your life like Thanos. What would Thanos do, right? It's about time I settle down and do another kind of TNA. Is that it, Roger Hillman? Oh my god, I've just missed so much chat, man. It's not my fault, man. I can't help it, dude. Say Harry Paper, man. Is Dinosaur Man out of here, dude? The mini marathon. It's not a It's not a marathon technically until 2 a.m. But dude, I don't think we're gonna make it there. Okay. Is it right? Yeah, it's not a 4-hour show till 2 my time, 3 a.m. Eastern. So I don't know. Literally not making it there. No way. No freaking way. Streamception? Yeah, King Logan. Seriously, Streamception indeed, dude. Like, wow. I don't think I could ever watch another stream while streaming. I have no monitors, I guess. That's the technology. I need to figure out to the computer setup if she can stream Fortnite and me at the same time. That'd be fun, right? Phil says his girlfriend loves me, but grow the beard. Her words. I need to grow this beard. I don't know, man. I hate growing it too far. I love keeping it trimmed and a little professional, like I had back in my old world, right? So, tell your girlfriend, much love. Okay. Much love. Seriously. I can't even watch the stream, or I can't even watch the game stream, TA. What happened? I don't understand blockchain. What's going on, man? Blockchain Bennett, man. What is that? When I'm a one-man army, man. Have a good night, dude. Undesirable hour. You're screwed, dude. The longer my beard, the more bullish Bitcoin will be. Well, I'll just grow it out until Bitcoin goes to the moon, man. You know what I'm talking about, right? You know what I'm talking about, right?
Bitcoin going to the moon.
Gnome. Hold on a sec. Beard trim equals Bitcoin tank. No wonder we've been getting scrubbed out all year because I just keep trimming it, despite how much I don't want to, right? So, where did I get the record? Jamie Ragsdale hooked me up, Stuart, man. You hooked me up, seriously. Yeah, blockchain. You're right, man. Blockchain minutes. Very, very true. Very true. Earth Y'all says vote please on what do we want to vote on, Earth Y'all? Anything maple trees or what kind of trees? Deciduous trees. I don't know. I like deciduous over evergreen just because the change in the seasons. You gotta love the colors, right? Versus evergreen, it's just all year round, always green. Great. No one cares right about that. Tim Tam Slam, Julie. All right, 3, 2, 1. Kappa, no Kappa. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what to do anymore. I'm drunk as a skunk. Okay, at this point, yo, it took me to the woodshed. Gum trees. A lot of sap, dude. A lot of sap on the gum trees, Phil Centura, man. All right, just saying. I need to spread the word about what's going on. But Derek, man, I don't think people are going to care. Like, people where I live are like, okay, man, I don't care about some stupid Bitcoin. Right? That's what they're going to say, dude. I mean, and then, like, I'm talking about, no one cares about Bitcoin. And people really, really don't care about the technical analysis of Bitcoin, right? I'd just be happy to have them care about Bitcoin and not care about the TA. Right? It's tough, man. It's a tough world down here. Big, big tough world. I'm gonna end this shit. I mean, hold on. Talladega and Bitcoin don't mix, dude. Exactly, man. Like, what am I supposed to do, dude? What am I supposed to do? Beat corn to a pulp and make tortillas, or make tortillas, as they would say in Talladega. They don't say Talladega. The locals, anyone that lives in Talladega, they call it Talladega. So you would call it Talladega too, unless you wanted to offend somebody if you went into that area. I learned the hard way. All right, I was like, okay, man, okay, Talladega, not Talladega. All right, did some business out there years ago. It's stupid, man. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an absolutely fantastic episode. I'm just going to leave this up on my way out, but I love y'all. I've been live for 3 hours, 15 minutes. I just need to maybe lay down a little bit because everything's starting to spin, but y'all understand how that is when you take swigs of whiskey out of decanters. Julia, everyone. Thank you all so much for the contributions. Kang Logan, episode 180. This was for you, man. Tonight. Alright. I love y'all. Again, y'all give me purpose in this world. Seriously. Y'all are the reason I get out of bed in the morning. So. And like I said earlier, October from last year to now, my life is 180 because of y'all. Alright? So, don't ever think that I'm anything without y'all. So, I'll be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect the TA.
One more $1 till you fix that shit.
Alright, I'll get it fixed, man. No problem, man. Stuart, yeah, I don't know. Alabama game. Super Steve's all streaming activities till it's over. Love y'all.